Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we will be discussing about the SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and so this. So SWOT analysis is a major tool in the analysis of business internally actually. So let's have the overview. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to identify business strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat. Why we need to identify strength? We need them because we can multiply, we can leverage. We need to identify our weakness so that we can remedy, we can cure our downside. Huh? And opportunity, we have to seize the opportunity so that will have a meaningful impact on the bottom line or finances. And the threats, we have to know it so that we can avoid them, the one that will going to hurt us or kill us. No? So SWOT provides comprehensive internal and external situational analysis to guide decision making and strategic planning. SWOT is actually a framework, it's a tool, no, for analyzing companies' internal capabilities and external environment, no, according to Kotler. So strength, internal capabilities that gives business an advantage over competitors. What is our major strengths? Where we are good at. So we have to capitalize on them. No? So for example, Apple is strong brand image. Apple known to be to be a uh, good in graphics, fast and OEM. So original equipment manufacturing. So no one can close with a brand of Apple. So still the American flagship product. Another thing is skilled workforce and intellectual property. For example, Google, advanced AI technology. So Google, the one started with the search engine. So it has a foothold on the information business. So application, the SWOT used to leverage core competencies for market expansion. Identify key areas to maintain competitive advantage. So overall, SWOT is the strength, no? That's the application. The weakness, internal limitation that place the business at a disadvantage. So where the company is losing, so we have to cure on it. Maybe talent, technology, things like that. So in comparing with the industry, example highlights staff turnover, no? So why there's something's wrong with the company? Why there's a high turnover? No? So it's wrong. So we have to cure them to get the root cause analysis. Outdated technology or inefficient system. So we have to invest on technology to cure the example laptop. No? So before my limitation in personally, my limitation in the computing is very slow. So I changed the drive to SSD. The RAM I improved it from 2 to 8 GB RAM, no? And then from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So overall, it cures the weakness. So I can run my machine the same level as the uh, high-end machine. So application helps identify areas for improvement and risk mitigation. Okay, that's the advantage. Okay, encourage resource reallocation to address performance gap. So what how far we are from the best in the class. Opportunity, external factors that business could exploit to its advantage. So for example, we have a good product, so we have to extend them in Asia, in Africa, Europe, to as long as there are people, no? So that's McDonald's is doing, that's KFC is doing, that's Intel is doing, no? And a lot of company, Apple, okay? Example, emerging markets, Tesla. So it's a electric car entering developing countries. So that's how Elon Musk derived its billion, actually approaching trillion. And then technological advancement using AI to improve customer service. Support new product development or market entry strategy. Aligns innovation and investment with market trends. Okay. So threats now. So we know already this one that can hurt us now. What you know can kill you. What you do not know can kill you. So we have to know our enemy. We have to know behind us. We have to know the real score. We have to know the result. External challenges that could harm the business. Maybe we don't know tomorrow we don't have a business. So that's what actually Google done with 100 search engine. Google is a killer technology. It closed the all search engine. He dominated the market. So others are surprised, caught barefooted. So they did not anticipate that small company Google during the early 90s would become a giant corporation now, public corporation. Examples, regulatory challenges now, these are the threats now. When company raises the tax, so it eats some of the profit. No? Like to know that. Intense competition, the e-commerce sector with Amazon. So application helps develop contingency plan and proactive risk research. These are internal working of every company. Encourages business to monitor the competitive landscape and adapt quickly. So that's the SWOT. This is a SWOT is a timeless tool technique in improving the company. So that's all for today. So let's call it a day. No, I'll see you in other segment. Thank you for having me.